All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner here for your new YouTube channel, or if you want to upgrade your current channel. I made this banner here utilizing Canva, and if I can do it, I know it's so cliche, but you can do it as well. So I'm going to show you here. Here's the banner all broken down, but I'm going to do one straight up from scratch. All right, I'm going to go here. You're going to go create a design, and then you're going to type in YouTube banner. All right, it's going to pull up here. Then once that banner pops up, you're going to get an option for templates. Here's the template that I utilized or that I used in general. I know mine looks pretty much nothing like that one. It only has the banner, but normally I'll use a template just to build off whatever I'm trying to create. You don't have to do that. You can actually do it from scratch completely, meaning nothing but the white background. But here we are. I'm gonna jump straight to it. What I ended up doing for this banner, I ended up taking some elements that I like, and I thought that the channel would look great with. So I ended up taking the background here, and I would just sit and go replace background here. I removed and deleted these things here, whatever they were. I'm not sure what they were. Delete those. I deleted this. This is for if you want to put your social media handles here. I don't need that right now. I don't have any other social media platforms for this specific channel. So I'm going to delete those out. I'm going to delete that out of here, get that out of here. And you can keep whatever you want to keep and just work it or tweak it, tweak it to whatever you like, and then go from there. Left that here. I ended up shifting this just a tad. I'm going to delete this one here. I believe I deleted this here as well. Shift this over. Ended up changing the colors to something that I knew that my daughter, one of her colors that she likes. I went purple here, but I think I went a darker purple. Let's go there. I'm gonna use that one there. We're gonna use that there. I'm gonna take this and pull it up, just to offset everything. Pull this over, center it up, shift this over here. All right, then I ended up using, what was that font that I used? It was something I had stumbled across yesterday, and I thought it was pretty good, pretty cool to use. I think that's what it was. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna hit that there, and I just duplicate it, hit duplicate there, and then I changed it to her actual name. Here, pulled it down a little bit, changed the color on that by going here, and then just changing it to white. I actually put an effect on it, I believe, just to make it stand out. Effects. I did an outline. Change the outline, and then you go to here for the actual color. Now I have this. Now comes the inside, but I also did this. I did a duplicate here. Now I think of it. Here, and then I did a duplicate here and brought that here, made it bigger. Made this one bigger as well. Here, I grabbed, what did I grab? A little airplane here. And then I also took this airplane, turned it a little bit, I think I turned it a tad here. Put that there. Now for the inside, I ended up using something that I created for the logo, but the way I did it was I actually took, let me see if I can find it here, because I do most of my creating on my phone because it's just more convenient. Here, Magic Media. What did I type in? I think I typed in the earth as cotton candy. This is an AI tool here. It's called Magic Media. And you just click generate image, and it's going to create a AI image. Now, the only thing about this, the image that I create right now is not going to be the exact image that I created before. So it might be slightly different. It might be a whole lot different. It's AI, so you never know what you're going to get. Once you click that, it's going to take a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, maybe quicker. It just depends on the server and the speed of your computer. And then you'll get something, let's just say something hypothetical. If I use this, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go to add page. I'm going to add this here. Then I'm going to do background remover from here, which should, in a perfect world, leave that, which it did. I'm going to erase up to here. Then I'm going to pull one of my photos that I have recently used. I had something like this. Let's just say I had something like this. Replace the background. And then I had one of my logos here. Uploads. Here's a upload that I had here. I took this and then I removed the background remover, took it, stretched it out a tad, pull this down so I can mess with and manipulate the one in the back. Created that. Then I'm gonna take that and position it forward so it'll look like she got the world in her hands. I did that, and then I added something simple. I think it was, let's find it. Something like no, I had it recently. Sorry, I'm not trying not to cut any scenes out. I like to just go straight through these edits. But let's just do this. Let's see. I'm gonna do this one here. Actually, I'm gonna just use this for an example. The unicorn that I created earlier was a unicorn using AI. That was another AI feature, but I just want to show you how to do this as an example. And you'll have this here as an example for a logo. Let's turn that here. Let's put that there, here. And then what I did was I ended up exporting this one now. I did just this bottom one. Go down, download that one here. Download it. All right. So once that downloads, I'm gonna go back to my uploads here. Then I'm gonna upload that file that just downloaded. Put it here. Go back to this page here. I'm gonna remove this gentleman out of here. Delete image. I'm gonna put this image inside of there. As you can see it right there. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. Stretch that out. All right, got that there. Now I'm gonna go to my recents. I'm gonna find that frame that I utilized earlier. That frame, I ended up going with these colors, pink and I want to say it was like a green or something. Let's go pink. But the way this is nothing but a frame that I just put this image inside. It's strictly just a frame. It's nothing out of the norm. Anybody can take a frame, and the great thing about Canva, it has a few different types of frames. So you'll take that frame and put that there, here, and then you put your image inside. You can change up the different types of frames that they have and go from there. Now for the final touch, what I ended up doing was finding an old picture that I had of her. Should be in my uploads. This one right here. I took this image, removed the background. Look at the legs. I don't know why it looked like that. That's kind of crazy. Took this, then I took it and put it in the back. You go to position and you go back until it's in the back. I took the bottom part because I didn't need it. Lifted that down, dropped her here. Do that there. Dropped her here. As you see, the image is tilted. Well, another great thing that you can do, you take this, as soon as I can find it, I'm looking for it right now. It's right here. Take it and you tilt it till it's kind of straight. Pull that up. And where I want this to be transparent so you can still kind of see her face, I would go here for transparency, and then I'll fade that a little bit. So you can still see her face, but at the same time, it adds a nice touch to the actual image. Then I would take, I think because of this image particularly, it didn't get her full hand. So I was like, man, I need to cover that up because I can't manipulate it. You could try to manipulate it with AI, but I couldn't figure that part out. Go there. And then I ended up just grabbing a cloud, taking that cloud, making it look like it'll blend in, and then I put it here. There you have it. It's pretty straightforward there. I think I might have only changed, I think I did, let's see if I did an animate here. No, I didn't do anything about animate. If I did an edit to that image, I think I did a shadow. I want to say I did a shadow to this. Black, let's see, black shadow, blur, intensity. Shadows to images, make them pop a little bit. And that's what I did to the airplane. You don't have to do that, but it's just one of those little touches. But this is it right here. Then you would just take this banner, you would go to share, download. If you only got, make sure it's on that actual page that you're talking about, which in my case, it shows the page right here. You go here and then you do click to make sure it's just that one, and then you do a download. Make sure it's PNG. Don't change anything on the size, excuse me. Click there for done. Hit download, and then you take this banner and then you put it on your page with a simple click. I hope that helps anybody that was kind of struggling about that part. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that follow button or subscribe, whichever platform you see this on. Peace.